All right, MC with Tech, and here's the video. Today, I'm doing another unboxing and a review on a pair of JBL earbuds. So these are the Endurance Peak 3s by JBL. So they're IP68 water and dust resistant, smart ambient. You're going to get 50 hours of you. You're going to get 50 hours of usage on the buds with the buds alone, just 10 hours, and 40 hours with the case. So you're going to like that. So like I said, without recharging the case, you're going to get 40 hours with the case plus the buds, another 10. So that's pretty good for a pair of earbuds for working out and everything like that. You're also going to get the Smart Ambient Aware. You're going to get 3 different ear tips, small, medium, or large. You're going to get Type-C on these earbuds, Type-C connection for charging, and you're going to get Bluetooth 5.2. So it's not the latest and greatest with the Bluetooth, but it is good. These got the power hook design and twist lock. So they will lock, and once you lock them, if I'm not mistaken, believe, I haven't used them yet, that sound is going to cut off the music once they lock in to place when you take them off your ears. So you're going to have dual connection. So you're going to be having to be able to hook these up with dual connection, independent earbud use, and double connection for usage on the earbuds. Okay, you're also going to get crisp, clear calls with 4 mics on the earbuds. You're going to get that voice aware, like I said, and you're going to enjoy these as far as a pair of earbuds. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the unboxing knife out. We're going to unbox them, and I'm going to show you how these look. So let's get the knife out, and let's pull these out. And let's see how JBL and what kind of job they have done on these earbuds. Oh, so let me go push these back in. So as you can see, you get a clear picture of how these earbuds look. So I'm going to, before you purchase them, you can look and see how they look. So we're going to pull it out. So here we're going to get your books. These are your books and your user guide to it. You can pull these out. This is just your books and your user guide. Slide that back in. Toss them to the side. So this is going to be your case. So we're going to pull the case out. And this is a nice size case. We're going to pull that case out. Get it open up. Everything seems to give me a tough battle these days, but we're going to open this up. Get the case out. Nice big case. Toss that to the side. And what you're going to get on here, your Type-C connection. You're going to get your indicator light. And let's open up the case. This is how the case is set up on the inside. We're going to close that back up. And so then we're going to pull out the earbuds. So these are your earbuds. You're going to have your earbuds. Open these up. Get your right one. Your right earbud. And your left earbud. So, also in here, in this box, you're going to get your charging connection for your cable, your charging cable. Oh, yep, it just slides out. So you're going to slide that in, you're going to slide that out. And then you're going to get your ear tips in here. And you're going to get your charging cable. So you're going to unravel that. You got your ear tips. And you can push this through for the cord and get your charging cord. And this is your charging cord. They don't give you a long charging cord. I do notice that with JBL would be nice if the cord was a lot longer. You can charge them up, but you'll give you a cord. They beat some of these manufacturers out here that won't give you a cord. And that's me. For some of the stuff that we pay this money for, we should get a charging block with these cords and cables, you know, just for real, for real. But we don't get it. We're not going to cry over the milk, but it is what it is. So we're just going to toss that to the side. And so what we're going to do is place these in the case. So we're going to place these in the case. We're going to figure out how we place these in the case. There you go. So they just slide down and they flop in just like so. So, okay. You see how easy to pull it is? You just flop it down. And they're charging. So you get that indicator light right here on the front of it, and the buds are charging. So once again, I'm going to get this set up to my device. I already have the app installed on my phone, and so it should make it easier. All I have to do is find it and connect, and it might end up connecting instantly. Who knows? So, because you already have the JBL app. So one thing I was talking about when it comes to the hook, as you can see, you can unhook it, and you see, and boom, it magnetizes back to that. Boom. So when you hear that, you'll know that it's going to cut out that music and that play when you have it connected. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all this back into the box, and I'm going to get together my phone, my S23 Ultra, and we're going to go into the device. Okay, now as you can see, I'm in the JBL app. I'm going to open up the case, take the earbuds out, put them on my ear, and see if I get an instant connection. Sometimes you will, and sometimes you won't. So it says they're powered on. I might have to find them. So let's see if I can click into the JBL earbuds. So we're going to go down, we're going to hit the Bluetooth, and we're going to see if I can find the earbuds. Okay, here go the JBL Endurance tools. They're pairing. So as you can see, they're pairing. It says pair. It says connected. So let's go back into it. Let's get started. So with this being said, we're going to save. Skip the setup of the Google, because you can have Google Assistant on here, and Google Assistant works phenomenal with the JBL earbuds. I love Google Assistant, and I suggest that you set it up. So we're going to go and it has the voice assistant set up. We ain't going to do that. Let me go back out. We'll do that later. And then it has product tips, and it has tips for you can use for the product. So let's go back out, and here as you can see, let's check and see for a software update. I do that. The first thing I do with all my earbuds when I see that is see if you can do a software update. So on the top, you're going to get your JBL Endurance Peak 3s. You're going to see that. You get 100% on each of the buds. Let's see if I have an update. So, update. It has an update. So let's cut it out. Let's go back. So it has an update. Let's go back out, and I'll let you see how it sounds when I'm done setting up the update. Okay, so now that the update is done, the firmware update, we're going to go through the features aspect of the earbuds. So, like I said, on the display, you're going to get your earbuds, your battery percent for each earbud. You're going to get your ambient sound controls. We're going to toggle that on. So ambient aware is on. Actually, my furnace is going, and I can tell when it kicked in. And I can tell you when it kicked off, you know. So with it off, it did get a little bit more deafening in here because I have them in my earbuds, no music going. So that air conditioner, or my fault, that furnace, I said air conditioner, I meant furnace, kind of went silent. And as you toggle it back on, you can hear that more clear. And I think I hear my voice a little bit more clear. And it's not as robotic as I thought it would be. So you're going to get your equalizer. So let's go into your equalizer. And with your equalizer, you're going to get jazz, vocal, bass, JBL tune, equalizer 1, and JB equalizer 2. But you can also do a 10 band EQ on this. And you can set this up to how you want to have it set up. These are adjustable, which is something that I love about it. And you can have this set up any kind of way that you want to have your music thump as loud as you want and how you want. Now, this is not my custom EQ, but I just wanted to show you how those were adjustable. We're going to put that on bass boost, and we're going to go back out. And so you're going to get your gestures. So you can set up your gestures for this. One tap ambient mode off and on. You can double tap for talk through off and on. You can do tap and hold. And so you can do that, and you can do your call controls. So you can have your double taps for your call controls. That's answer incoming calls, hang up, or double tap, or you can tap and hold to reject phone calls. You can set it up the way you want to set it up to your custom. That's left, and you can have it set up to your custom for your right. Now, one thing I don't like about it, I don't see volume up and volume down. So you're going to have to use your device for that, to volume up and volume down. That can be an inconvenience at times, but it's not a deal breaker for me. I can use my phone to adjust the volume up and down. I'm not touching nothing nasty or disgusting half the time, so I can do that. I'm not worried about that. So you can set that custom to how you want. And if you don't like them because you can't control the volume up and down, hey, you can purchase them. You don't have to purchase them, but I think they're a great pair of earbuds for working out. You got that ambient aware, that voice aware. So you get the voice aware, and you can set that for high, mid, or low. That's your voice aware. I like to leave mine on. And then you got your smart audio. So with your smart audio, you have your music, and you're listening to your music. You can have that set, or you can set that to video mode when you are watching the video on your device. And it works great. I like how the JBL earbuds and headphones are tuned. It gives you great sound, and you're going to like that. And then you right here, you have your left, right sound balance. So you can have this balance and set on. You can leave it here, and you can toggle it on, for you can get the balance from your left to your right. We're going to zero that out. That way that's on. You got your native voice assistants. Like I said, we can go back over that. That's Google, or you can use a native voice assistant, tap into it, and you can have that set up for your gestures. See me, I like to use the Google, so it's all good. Then you're going to have your voice prompts. They're in English. You can turn that off, or you can turn that on, and you have other languages. So don't be afraid to use your language on your earbuds. I think it's like 10 that you have, but hey, maybe you do a firmware to even make it even larger of voice prompts for whatever language you are speaking. Then you have your Google support. You have your headphone setup. You have your quick guide. You have your frequently asked questions. Then you have your factory reset, and then you have your software. We've already updated it. We're up to date. And then you'll have the serial numbers for the earbuds. So with that being said, let's go back out. Let's see how these sound. So we're going to put these to music. And so here we go. Let's go with some hip hop genre first. And I'm going to tell you how I like and how they sound. So let's go here. All right. So let's see how this music is going to sound in these headphones. All right, so as we get ready to let this music play, let's see how these earbuds are going to sound. The Endurance Peak 3s. I'm trying to tell you, they're another JBL product. I'm hyped on hearing and listening to see how they sound with the bass and the EQ settings that you can set on these earbuds. Let's see. Let's go. Ricky Ross, Gucci Man, MC Hammer. Yeah. Let's turn that up. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's go back to the EQ. Right. Okay. So you got it on that bass? Okay. I had to pause the music because you're going to love the bass on these Endurance Peak 3 2s. I like the bass. It's not muddy. It's not too deep. It's just right. To a certain degree, just right. So, because what you're going to be listening to these earbuds for is working out. So you can get these wet. They're great. It has a great water and dust resistance on these. They're coated. You're going to like the features on these earbuds when it comes to the app too. You know what I'm saying? The only thing I don't like is the aspect of not having the voice controls, but the music sounds good on here. Let's go to another track. So Let's see how this sounds as the bass kicks in and everything. Let's go. Let's get it. All right. Hell yeah. They take it there. I know. Yeah. I'm going to tell you this. If you want a great pair of workout earphones that you definitely know ain't going to fall off your head, and you don't want to break your bank, try the Endurance Peak 3s. You know, like I said, you can pick these up for about $100. $100. And you're going to get you a great pair of workout earbuds. With the hook, you're definitely not falling off your ear. I just talked to one of my sons, and I asked him how clear I sound. And he was like, man, I thought you were talking into your phone. Didn't sound like you had no earbuds on. I said, yes, earbuds. So I told him, hey, man, pick you up a pair for work. You're going to like these. And so with that being said, this is MC with Tech. The earbuds sound good. The app is great. I love the JBL app. There are some features I think they should do and give you as being able to control your music a little bit more. But I still say the app is good. The voice assistant is good. You're going to like it. Set them up. Enjoy the Endurance Peak 3s. This is MC with Tech. Hit like and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe. I'm trying to get the channel to grow. Hit like and subscribe.